Hey, welcome to Mom Talk Thursday. Today Zoravar is home. He didn't go to school because apparently he was not feeling well. But somehow he is feeling absolutely fine to go down and play cricket. And when I asked him, do you remember what happened last night? Why hum school क्यों नहीं गए? So he's like, I think I was not feeling well. I said, हाँ, you were not feeling well, but हुआ क्या था? He said, I think जुकाम हो गया था, Mama. My nose is blocked. I said, yeah, okay. So he has just left. So I thought I'll just get my coffee and start the live. Don't like to be late. So here we go. And so how is everybody? How are things? We'll wait a minute or two. Today's live is about Ask Me Anything, okay? So if you have any questions, I'll start like this. If you're here for the first time, then thank you for coming, okay? For next 1 hour, I am here to answer your questions, anything related to parenting, anything related to motherhood, okay? And if you're new, then I am Divya, a parenting educator and coach. But I think these days more so I feel that I'm more like a mom friend to you, because I feel that mothers need that one person who can come and say, listen, I know what you're going through and I'm here for you. So that's what I feel. And so if you're new here, write all your questions at the bottom right. Okay, there's a question mark. Questions baar dalega because it is easier for me to see. Okay. If any one of you is here, जो last week भी था, where we did about wheel of choice. Remember about anger management? If you are here, then and if you tried it last week, then type yes. I would love to get you online and check with you कि कैसा रहा. How was the entire process? How did the मतलब बच्चे का क्या रिएक्शन था, आपने क्या डिस्कवर किया, and things like that. Okay, as I said, today I'm still setting up. So this is a beautiful candle a friend of mine gave, and it is divine, absolutely divine. I told her yesterday, I said, like, this is one of the best fragrances that I have ever found till date. Okay, so now we are set with our coffee, with my table, and with your questions. Okay, now let's set going. Ekta, yes, hi Ekta. Yeah, you were there last week also, I saw. Yes, I was there, but I have just talked to my son about it, not yet started the wheel. Oh, that is great. Talking is also great. Okay, it's very good. Okay, anybody else who tried the wheel of choice with their children? Okay. And till the time everybody else comes, but there's a lot of change without the wheel as well. Oh wow, Ekta, would you like to come online? Like, can I get you live online? If you would just like to come and talk for 2 minutes, if you have seen a change in your child, it will be good to know. Type yes and send me a request. I'll get you online. Yeah. And till the time I see Ekta's request, let me just tell you this. Quite few of you told me that you couldn't attend mera Monday ka launch about the conscious motherhood community. So I am doing another webinar, another masterclass on Saturday. This Saturday at 4 o'clock. Okay, the link to join the masterclass is in my bio. So go and register. It's a free masterclass. Okay. We'll start all your questions. Please put it in the question mark thing. It's easier for me to check and respond there. Okay. So till the time Ekta replies, a lot of change without the wheel. Okay, next question. Tell me about the wheel. Okay, we did an entire session last Thursday. The live जो है ना वो मेरे Instagram में है. मैंने अभी तक YouTube में अपलोड नहीं करा है, but Instagram में you will see live की recording is there, जहाँ पे we have spoken about the wheel of choice. Wheel of choice क्या होता है? It helps child to know कि जब उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है तो उसको करना क्या है. Because a lot of us don't even discuss with our children ki one, anger is normal. Two, when you get angry, what you need to do. Okay, that is why even adults they don't know what to do when they're angry, क्योंकि कभी किसी ने सिखाया ही नहीं है. They just know when I get angry I can shout. Some people think when I get angry I can hit. So वो जो tools होते हैं ना, that if I get angry I can go for a walk, if I get angry I can breathe, if I get angry I can go for a run, if I get angry I can just go out of the room and come back, scribble, draw, paint, what soothes me down. That is what we need to teach our children at an early age, so that when they grow up they know कि अगर उनको गुस्सा आ रहा है what they can do. Okay. Okay, so let me just start. There's a question here. Jyoti says, my son is 4-year-old. I also talked about wheel of choice but didn't start yet. It's okay. As long as you took one tiny little step, no, that's more than enough. I actually feel making an effort. देखो, अगर लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा है और आपको उसको चेंज करना है तो एक छोटा बहुत एफर्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. And that छोटा सा एफर्ट is what matters. First is your awareness, that you're aware that something is not working out and I need to do better for my child and for myself. Second is taking that one step. It is perfectly okay. Like even with me, there is flipping the lid is something I want to teach Zoravar, to tell him how his brain works, because I think he's ready and he will understand it when I teach him that. But 2 हफ्ते हो गए, I am just not finding time. I've told him I will teach him. I want him to understand how the brain works, what happens when he gets angry, but time ही नहीं मिल रहा है. So it is absolutely fine. Okay. So I have one question here which I'll take. My son is 10-year-old. Rekha writes. Okay. Thanks, Ekta. I'll just take one question and then I'll get you online. Okay? Because I've just started. Okay, so let's get Ekta first because she has to go to leave her son. Accepted. I would love to know what is happening. And in the meantime, let me see if I have any other questions that you want me to reply.
Hello.
Hi, Ekta.
Hi, Divya. How are you?
I'm good. I can't hear you. Little louder, please.
Is it audible now?
How are
Hello.
you? I saw
I'm
you
good.
live also.
Okay. I am not able to see your video actually.
You're not able to see my video.
No.
Okay. Can you just disconnect and send me the request again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we are waiting for Ekta to come. Fatima, I'll take 1 second. Huh? Let me just first finish her question. Ekta has to go, so I just want to speak to her because I saw her that she was there last week also. So I want to know how her conversation with her child. Not able to accept. Why? Accept. Okay, I have accepted. Ekta, I have accepted your request. Can you check? Ekta? Yes, no. I don't know. And all of you who are new here, please write your questions in the question mark column. It is easier for me to find because essay, the comments and the joinees and everything keeps going up and I do not know where to answer. Okay, Ekta, I think there is some problem. You're not able to join because it is showing me that you're not able to join. So I do not want to take a lot of your time. I'll try one more time. If it happens, good. Otherwise, we will do it next time. Not a problem. Because you, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, but I can see your lovely carpet. Yeah. Can you
It's
see?
not a carpet, it's a bed sheet.
It's a veggie.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Hi, Divya. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. I just wanted to thank you first of all. You've been really, really, really good help. It's been 4 weeks I'm taking this session with you, online Thursdays.
They're coming for 4 weeks. That's lovely.
Yeah. So I've been taking step by step with my son. My son's name is Satyak. He's slowly and gradually, his anger is decreasing, I've seen. And the one I wanted to talk to you about is the wheel of choice. I made him sit first and I asked him, Ke, Bitu, when you feel angry, when mama sometimes scolds you, what do you feel? Then he told me that, Mama, I wish for some time we should get separated. You go to other room, calm down. We both will calm down and then we'll come back and talk.
Wow. That's a 4 year.
So, no, he's 9 years old.
9. Wow.
Yeah. So I said, can you tell me when you feel angry? At sometimes you might be angry at mama or dada. What do you do? What do you want to do? Said, Mama, I feel like going to another room, put on an Alexa and dance it off, or go out and cycling. Domenica, let's start this first. Then nowadays, what he's doing is when I feel angry, I'll say, Bitu, I'll need some time and I'll just go out of the room. And then mostly I get angry during studies, to be very honest.
Same.
And sorry?
Same.
Yeah,
Get into a different
because
path. कि भैया नहीं चिल्लाओ मत.
हाँ मम्मा चिल्ला के मत बोलो. But the thing is कि we have a tendency as a mother when we are teaching them, you should listen at once. You know, you cannot make them sit calmly and study. That is the only issue. So this is what I wanted to talk. I'll cut short because I need to leave.
Yeah.
Now he's improving, and this is the way we've taken out to, get rid of our anger. Let's see if we need the wheel of choice, and if I'll make it, I'll definitely share it.
You don't need to make it because he is vocal enough to tell you that
Yes,
so next time he gets angry, all you need to do is just give him an option. Do you want to go to your room and take 5 minutes off? He's very well aware.
yes,
Okay, that's
yes,
all.
yes,
Make a choice. And you also, because आपको बोला गया है ना, so you also say that I feel angry, I'm going to go out and come back in 10 minutes. That's
that's
it.
what I do. That's what I do. That's making, to be very honest, that is making our relationship very beautiful.
Very, very nice. And what do you think is the reason for this change? Like, what changed in you that got this change in your relationship? 4 weeks.
See, after listening to your tips, I can say, uh, I had calmed down myself first. I have regulated my emotions first. Then I was able to understand what he is going through, and talking it out is the best solution for
Best.
anyone, hands down.
Yeah, I think first is to calm down. Second is to understand कि उनका perspective क्या है. It helps. And
Yes,
I must applaud you that आपने at least courage ली that you asked your child that when I shout, how you feel.
yes.
Okay.
और वो आपने एक स्टोरी डाली थी ना छोटी सी एलेक्सा वाली. It happens with Satyak a lot. मम्मा ये सुनती क्यों नहीं है? मैंने कहा बिट्टू just the same way I also feel when you don't listen at once. तो आप मेरे को वन टाइम में सुनोगे तो शायद एलेक्सा भी सुन ले. That's what I told him.
Okay. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you so much for coming. I think we mothers relate a lot in a lot of ways. You know,
Yes,
when it comes to they're not listening to us. But I think we all are trying our best that we can raise a confident, connected child.
yes. I see everybody wants that their child to be talk about things, to be vocal about things, and to be respectful at the same time. And to be very honest, Divya, for me, you are truly a mother friend.
I feel like that. Actually, now I even write that I'm your mom friend because I think we all need that more than anything.
Yes, even though we are not physically connected with each other, but I know there is someone whom I can rely to whenever I need a question,
Yeah.
and I might help. See, I'm a homemaker and I'm not being able to, indulge in many activities. I wanted to join the Monday session, but I was not able to because I have family responsibilities as well.
It's okay.
But ऐसा connection be, I'm happy enough. I get some me time with you.
Yeah, it is perfectly fine, no problem. But I will only say one thing in a day that is for you. You know?
Yes, today actually, before leaving Satyak for school, I told him ki Satyak, I might be little late because I have a session. Oh, I know, Divya auntie you want to talk to, na?
Sweet made my
Yeah.
day.
Sorry?
That's the sweetest thing. You made my day that your son knows me, you know.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
I think
And
my
I actually told him also ki she's the reason why I have started my controlling my anger. Kehta, Mama, that's so thankful to auntie.
you have no clue. I think my week is done. I think that is the only reason why I do it. Thank you so much, and thank you for
My pleasure, darling. My pleasure. Chalo, I need to leave now. Thank you so much. And may God bless you and keep the good work.
thank you. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. I think that really made my week. That really made my day. That's all I need. I am your mom friend here who is here to guide you because I go through the same things. I think we just need to be more aware because पता है क्या है हमें ना बच्चा 3 4 साल 5 साल के लिए नहीं पालना है आई वॉन्ट कि वेन माई चाइल्ड इज इन द टीन एज आई वॉन्ट कि जब मेरा बच्चा बाहर भी चले जाए ना वो कनेक्शन वो बॉन्ड वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो भी रहे जो ये बाकी चीजें होती है ना एकेडमिक्स हो गया सुन नहीं रहा डिसिप्लिन शूज उतारो ये करो वो तो रहेगा दैट इज पैरेलल वो सिखाना है बट जो कोर है ना दैट लव दैट कनेक्शन दैट रिस्पेक्ट दैट वैल्यूज वो रहनी चाहिए बाकी एवरीथिंग विल फॉल इन प्लेस okay so you can see the big smile on my face and I think I am going to be like this and I can't wait to tell my son that this happened. Okay, because I share with him everything, my ups, my downs, everything. Okay, so let's start with the questions. And thank you, Ekta, and to your son for making my day. So I am going to start with the first question. Okay, my son is 4 years old. Jyoti says my son is 4 years old, and I also talk about Veerachand but didn't start. Okay, no problem. मैम मेरी ट्विन गर्ल्स है स्टडी में प्रॉब्लम होती है सी व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इलैबोरेट करो स्टडीज में सबको प्रॉब्लम होती है नोबडी लाइक्स टू स्टडी okay from please save this video and share it on his story I will ekta okay okay so studies let's take studies who all have problem with when their child have to sit down to study just type me let's do a good 15-minute session about studying okay because I also really struggle sometimes when it comes to my child's studying सो जिसको ये प्रॉब्लम है ना कि मेरा बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं है या मेरा बच्चे फोकस नहीं करता या मेरा बच्चा कि आई गेट एंग्री व्हेन माय चाइल्ड इज studying let's just take those I'll just take that point a little bit okay देखो स्टडिंग का बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जब मैं आपको कुछ नया करने को दूंगी okay like for example if Divya is not used to reading books every day okay like I'm not saying study ka books generally like novels okay and when I have to do it every day it's a muscle I have to build so some days I want to do it some days I do not want to do it okay now सेम इज विद चिल्ड्रन ओके बच्चों के लिए सब कुछ नया है सब कुछ चाहे वो मैथ्स है इंग्लिश है दिस दैट एवरीथिंग इज न्यू ओके हमने वो पढ़ा होता है इसलिए हमें इजी लगता है ओके नाउ प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना बच्चों के साथ स्टार्ट ऑलवेज विद द रूटीन वेदर इट्स अ 4 year और 5 year old क्योंकि आजकल तो 5 साल के बच्चों को भी होमवर्क आते हैं मेरे बच्चे को नहीं आते बट जनरली आई हैव सीन दैट इन इंडियन स्कूल्स 5 साल से बच्चे को होमवर्क तो आ ही जाता है कि ये करना है so start with the routine children thrive on routines okay so start with the routine and अगर आपका बच्चा 6 साल से ऊपर है तो make sure that your routine is discussed with your child and then you do it okay like for example my son is 6 so whenever we sit down and make a routine we discuss it and we bargain a lot कि बच्चा देख अब तो ऐसा हो गया हॉलीडेज में डिफरेंट रूटीन था अभी स्कूल शुरू हो गया डिफरेंट रूटीन है you need to do 3 sheets or you need to do 30 minutes a day or you need to do reading or you need to do writing depending upon what your objective is what your end objective is ठीक है Then sit down and say, is it going to happen right after school? Is it going to be after you come back? Okay, set ho gaya. Then comes the second step, the most difficult one. बच्चे को पता है उसने पढ़ना है, लेकिन वो पढ़ना नहीं चाहता. फिर आप क्या करोगे? क्योंकि ये हर एक के घर में होता है कि पता है होमवर्क करना है बट करना नहीं है. इसमें आई विल से, अगर आपका बच्चा बड़ा है, लाइक 8, 9, 10 ईयर्स का है, और इवन इन टीनेज में तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. ओके, सो अगर आपका बच्चा 12 से नीचे है, देन अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज अगर वो किसी सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा है ना, देन ही वुड लाइक टू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. अगर वो किसी सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा नहीं है, ही वुड ट्राई टू अवॉइड इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. उस केस में योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ पेरेंट इज टू हेल्प हिम अंडरस्टैंड इट. जो चीज आपको नहीं आती, आप भी सबसे ज्यादा अवॉइड करोगे. राइट और रॉन्ग करोगे ना. अगर आपको चीज आती नहीं है, अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि कैसे करना है, यू विल डेफिनेटली अवॉइड इट. Okay, you'll find ways to avoid it. You don't want to do it. Another thing that I'm seeing in children, not below 6, 7, but above, like 8, 9, 10, which I've been seeing in children, is they are very distracted. फोन है, टीवी है, खेलने जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. सो देयर एंटायर फोकस इज इन दैट, which is good, which is fine. But you need to tell them that better, you have to sit down and study as well. Okay, I know you will say, I've tried all this, it doesn't happen, Divya. It will only happen if you have that connection and if you know how to hold the boundary. Okay, जैसे आपका बच्चे ने रोना धोना शुरू किया, आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू स्टडी, यू आर मेकिंग मी स्टडी, यू आर डूइंग दिस, यू आर डूइंग दैट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टडी. My sincere request to you is, don't lose your cool. Okay, your child is only trying to pull you into a power struggle. Okay, क्योंकि वो ऐसे चीजें बोलेगा, वो ट्राई तो करेगा. एज आई से, बच्चों का रोल क्या है? बच्चों का रोल ये है कि दे विल पुश बैक. बने वो इसलिए कि आप जो बाउंड्री करोगे, जो आप करोगे, उसको पुश बैक वो करेंगे ही करेंगे. योर रोल इज, ठीक है बोलते जाओ, बट दिस हैज टू बी डन. सिंपल. किटर 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 करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Today itself, if I was sitting with Zorawar and saying, Zorawar, you need to finish it, first answer was, I don't want to do this. I am so tired. My hands are paining. Okay, okay, fine, but you still have to do it. I understand it, but you still have to do it. So try not losing your cool over it. Try making sure that you tell them this has to be done. Okay, and please be realistic about it. Don't expect a 5-year-old to sit for 1 hour. It is humanly impossible for them. Okay, and study like with full focus. Give them that break. Another thing, sometimes kids do better when you are not around. So give them things and get out of there. वो होता है ना, जैसे अगर हम स्कूल में होते हैं और अगर स्कूल में होते हैं, छोड़ो, ऑफिस में होते हैं, और हमारा बॉस हमारे सर पे ऐसे खड़ा रहता है, ओके, even if I want to learn something, I can't learn it. Okay, so start trusting your child. Maintain that distance from your child. अगर वो वहां पढ़ रहा है, थोड़ा दूर पढ़ लो. And tell me something. Your end objective is the child has to finish the homework or your child has to study so much. Why do you get irritated अगर वो 1 घंटे में कर रहा है, आधे घंटे में कर रहा है, अगर वो बीच में पेंसिल से खेल रहा है, रबर से खेल रहा है, खेलने दो. You can just say, beta, the longer you're going to take it, उतना ही time you will, the next activity, whatever is there, that food है, खाना है, पीना है, खेलना है, that will get delayed. So the choice is yours. Because long term में your child has to internally feel that they have to study. आप थोड़ी हमेशा उसके सर पे बैठे रहोगे कि पढ़ लो पढ़ लो पढ़ लो पढ़ लो, नहीं ना. Think long term. Think long term कि करना क्या है बच्चे के साथ. Okay, so 1, make your routine. 2, when the routine comes, they are going to bicker about it and say नहीं करना, मुझे ये ऐसे नहीं करना, मुझे वैसे नहीं करना. You hold your calm and don't get into their power struggle. 3, try and understand ki, is your child actually struggling in that particular thing? Okay, is your child need extra help? Remember, you will also not do something if it is difficult for you. You will avoid it as much as possible. You will find different ways of doing it. Unfortunately, children don't have that option. Okay. And 4, what you do is, let him take his time. Why him wasting time is bothering you? This was a realization I had. Okay, अगर मैंने अपने बच्चे को बोल दिया है that you have to write these 10 words or you have to learn these 10 words, how he learns is not my focus. You want to run and learn it, you want to jump and learn it, you want to write and learn it, it is up to you. But after 10 minutes, when I come back, I want to learn. I want you to know these 10 words. Okay, so focus on the end goal. Leave the other thing on the child. अगर मैं 10 मिनट के बाद आई और उसने नहीं पढ़ा, I will still not let him go. He still has to sit down and he still has to find another way of learning it. You all know that children learn in different ways. Okay, figure out what your way is. If you do not know it, then I have a YouTube video on my YouTube channel which says about what are the different kinds of learning types that children have. It is so important to know. Are they auditory? Are they visual? Are they kinesthetic? Are they someone who has to write it to learn it? Okay, not everybody is the same. Okay, so focus on the end goal. Don't get irritated because वो पढ़ नहीं रहा, वो ये नहीं कर रहा. आपकी irritation से वो पढ़ने वाला नहीं है. वैसे भी आपकी इरिटेशन से उसका दिमाग और बंद हो जाएगा. आपके चिल्लाने से, जब आप पे कोई चिल्लाता है, ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर what did you feel? All those who are here who just heard me, what did you feel? And I'm extremely sorry for shouting. I'm extremely sorry for shouting, but tell me, what did you feel when I just said that or reacted like that? No one felt anything. Let me tell you, whenever anybody shouts at you, your brain shuts down. You go into the mode of ye kya hua? And when you do that to your child, okay, when you do that to your child also just shuts down. Your child doesn't know what happens. So your objective, and when feel very bad, exactly. So when you are doing this to your child, जो आपका end objective है ना, that your child should learn, should do well in school, should do well in sports, or whatever your objective is, that is not getting met. Why? Because we are not being able to control our emotions and we are taking it out on the child. Okay? बच्चे से काम कराना है, जरूर कराना है. बच्चे से वो होमवर्क मुझे फिनिश कराना है, जरूर कराना है. बट क्या मैं इसको डांट के करा के कोई फायदा मिल रहा है? नहीं ना. So always see if this thing is not working for me, चिल्लाने से is not working for me, what else can I do? Can I make it fun? Can I give him a break? Can I ask him what the issue is? Can I put him in tuitions क्योंकि उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? Can I help him? Okay. My role as a parent is to enable my child, not disable my child कि वो mentally उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या हो रहा है और वो डर रहा है. This fear stays forever in everybody. Okay, and then we say मेरा बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं, उसको पढ़ाई से डर लगता है. Because he is associating पढ़ाई with screaming. He is associating पढ़ाई with the fact that I will not know. You know, आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा that if there is a very good teacher, okay, बहुत बार सुना भी होगा, if there is a very good teacher, और अगर किसी के साथ हुआ तो मुझे बताना, हाँ, कि in class, you know, you first didn't like maths. But suppose आप 8th grade में गए, 9th grade में, and the teacher was very nice, बहुत अच्छे से समझाती थी, was very nice to you, you know, would encourage you to do things, you know, even if you didn't like maths, suddenly maths became your favorite subject because the teacher was so nice. Subject तो same ही रहा ना मेरा, subject तो same ही रहा. But when the person who was teaching me changed the way the maths was taught to me, I understood it better. Because my brain was in a calmer mode to understand. Okay? Research has shown that if we keep shouting on our child, जो हमारे यहाँ हिपोकैम्पस होता है ना, हिपोकैम्पस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर स्टोरिंग डेटा फॉर मेमोरी. ओके, जो हमारे हिपोकैम्पस होता है वहां के सेल स्टार्ट डिप्लीटिंग. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट हैविंग मेमोरी लॉस. सो शाउटिंग डजंट हेल्प. Yes, this happened to me when I was in ninth grade. Ekta still replying. Yeah, it happens. It has happened with me also. I used to dislike maths till seventh or eighth grade. Then ninth grade, I found a lovely tuition teacher, who would come home, teach me nicely, explain me things. And ninth and tenth, I excelled maths like anything. It is still not my favorite subject. Not still very fast as maths in maths, but I enjoyed the subject. Why? Because I had a support system. So be that support system to your child. Not because I don't have time, not because I am frustrated, not because you're supposed to do it and I do not have the time to go an extra mile to be with you. Doesn't mean that I shout and फायदा तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ना. पढ़ाना मेरे को ये मेरा end objective है. Okay. So I hope this helps. Always remember what is your end objective when it comes to your child. Okay. Okay, I'll go to the next question now. Jyoti says, ma'am, we both make a rule that we have a chocolate on Sunday, but somehow he ate at school or somehow he is out, and whenever asked him why you would not listen, he said, I will listen to you next time, pakka. Now I will make him listen to me and follow the rule. Okay, Jyoti, how old is 4-year-old, na Jyoti? Oh God. Jyoti ji, are you still there? Type yes. I'll tell you something about little children. Okay. 4-year-old na? आपको पता है? Asking a child to make a promise, okay, before the age of 7 is like putting too much expectation on them. They do not have the capability of, holding it up because उनमें वो impulse control अभी है ही नहीं. So let me tell you something very honestly, okay? My son also has a rule कि he can only eat on a Saturday. Okay, that's a rule we have made. That's a rule. I'm sure you must have heard a lot of parenting people saying you should have a rule, you should only have one junk food day and things like that. But what people are not telling you is that kids do not have the mental capability of stopping themselves every time. Okay, and it is very difficult for them to keep promises because वो उस time पे बोल देते हैं I promise, but they cannot foresee what is going to happen in future. So उस time निकलने के लिए they will just go like tuck 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 tuck. That's it. They'll say I'll make a promise. Okay. अब होता क्या है, मेरे को लगता है यार मैंने तेरे साथ रूल बनाया है कि तूने सैटरडे को खाना है. जोरावर ऑल्सो हैज दिस रूल कि उसने सैटरडे को खाना है. अब आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, वो कहीं फ्रेंड की पार्टी में गया, सारे बच्चे चॉकलेट खा रहे, सब खा रहे. Is it fair on me as a mother to tell him, please do not have that piece of chocolate? I don't think so. You should look at those little eyes looking at you. Mama, can I please have a chocolate? I would say it's a win for me that at least he's looking at me and he's asking me. So don't make your rules like you're in a jail. Rules are supposed to be bent a little bit because हम लोग उस लाइफ में नहीं है कि ये रूल है, ये रूल है, ये रूल है, you have to live by the rule. We all have to be little flexible with the rule. Otherwise, your parenting journey is never going to be joyous because you will always be sticking with the rule. What you can do is you can tell that bacha, if someone gives you chocolate in school, can you get it back home? Okay. I know it is difficult for you when all your friends are eating chocolate and you cannot eat chocolate. I understand that, you also feel like having chocolate, and I admire the fact that you can wait for a week. I want to ask so many adults, whatever is your favorite food, whatever is your favorite junk food, or some कुछ लोगों को मीठे का craving होता है. Some people are sweet tooth, some people जैसे मुझे nuts खाने का बहुत शौक है, ठीक है. How many of us adults have that capability of stopping ourselves from not eating? मेरे सामने रख दो आप नट्स, मुझे इतनी प्रॉब्लम होती है अपने आप को उसको ना खाने के लिए. लाइक लिटरली इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ mental power not to do it. Agree or not? Do adults also need a lot of mental power, mental strength not to eat junk food when it is in front of them, and especially if they love it? Then children तो बच्चे हैं, उनका तो भी ब्रेन डेवलप हुआ ही नहीं, उनमें भी वो कंपल्स कंट्रोल्स आया ही नहीं है. So I will say, learn to bend your rules, work with it. It's a long term thing. मेरा बच्चा भी खाते हैं कभी कभी. I would never ever tell my child when 10 children are eating कि भैया no, it's not a Saturday, you cannot eat. अरे जिंदगी है, जीनी है साथ में, पेरेंटहुड है, एंजॉय करना है साथ में. Okay, so bend a little bit, but always keep giving positive affirmation, reinforcement to your child. You know what, Bacha? You are like so good. You only eat on a Saturday. It takes so much willpower. It is so much dedication. I love it about it. You know, sometimes I cannot do it. चलो मदरहुड की एक और चीज दिखाओ, घर में कोई है नहीं तो दरवाजा खोल ले, हम ही जाएंगे. So Jyoti, I hope I have answered your question. Okay, don't fuss about these small things, please. Don't think that you're failing as a mother or वो कुछ गलत कर रहा है and you are spoiling your relationship about it. It's not worth it. Okay, be flexible. You will enjoy motherhood more. Now give me a minute, please.
दिव्या
हाँ जी,
पार्सल है
OTP है कोई?
सीओडी
COD तो भैया नहीं है.
पार्सल है सीओडी
वो दूसरा वाला दे दो, ये ले जाओ आप. मैंने COD किया ही नहीं था.
कर देंगे
तो कर दो. Sorry, you guys have to wait for a minute. तब तक you can write your questions. I'll just check.
हाँ ओटीपी भेजे
OTP भेजा आपने? एक सेकेंड ना. किस पे? व्हाट्सएप नहीं, SMS पे 405134. ये फर्स्ट क्राई तो मेरा नहीं है ना? ठीक है, थैंक यू. अच्छा जी. सी दिस इज हाउ लाइफ इज ना. दैट्स एक्चुअल ट्रू मदरहुड. सारा काम खुद ही करना है. कैंसिलेशन पे भैया उस पे आएगा, SMS पे. ओके, 1 सेकेंड ना. एक्चुअली उन्होंने सेम चीज 2 बार भेज दी है मुझे. How to raise only child, she feels lonely sometimes. How to, okay, cancellation one is 8114. Thank you. Okay, we are done, and thank you all for waiting. But that's how life is, yeah. चलिए जी, हमारा नया वो आया है. This is my stand to record. Okay, coming back to okay, so I hope Jyoti, I was able to answer your question about it. Okay, so be flexible. I'll take the next one. All those who have questions, please put it in the questions wala column. It is easier for me to see, and please put your questions together क्योंकि उस बार बार पढ़ने में it becomes a big issue. You know, मतलब मुझसे 3-4 बार कैसे पढ़ूंगी? वो comments just keeps going up. Okay. Paramjeet Kaur says, my daughter also knows you and she also tell me the same thing. आप दिव्या आंटी को देख रहे हो. Oh, so sweet. क्या बात है. Today is very lucky day. Okay. Thank you, Paramjeet. So sweet. Archan says, I have a 5-year-old daughter. Bad words only to me when she got angry. She learned bad words from a family member and she doesn't listen. She understands everything, but she ignores. She wants to do whatever she likes. Let me tell you, जब बच्चों को गुस्सा आता है ना, वो बहुत चीजें बोलते हैं. Okay. So no matter how much you don't want to take it personally, but mothers get very emotional about it. Even I get emotional. मुझे सब पता होते हुए भी कि वो he doesn't mean it, he's angry, but I also get emotional. So let's get very real about it. We mothers, some of us are too sentimental. हमारी personality पे भी depend करता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Okay? So having said that, देखो बच्चा जब गुस्से में होता है ना, वो बहुत चीजें बोलता है, because that anger is directed towards you. अब अगर वो आपसे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो रहा है हर छोटी छोटी चीज पे, एक होता है कि उसको कुछ चीज चाहिए थी और वो नहीं हुई, दैट इज वन थिंग. ओके, जब ऐसा होता है दैट मीन्स दैट एंगर इज नॉट टुवर्ड्स यू, द एंगर इज टू द फैक्ट कि उसको कुछ चाहिए और उसको वो नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, जब ऐसी चीज होती है उस केस में इट इज ओके इफ दे गेट एंग्री एंड दे से थिंग्स टू यू. सी वो भी बच्चे हैं. Okay, they are also humans. They do not know how to express it. So they want to express it verbally. They want to hurt you because they are getting hurt. I'll again say, they want to hurt you because they are getting hurt. Okay, so when this happens, you know what? Please remind yourself that my child is very hurt right now. I just need to step back. वो आपको हर्ट इसलिए करते हैं सो दैट यू गेट इनटू देयर ड्रामा. तो वो आपको 10 चीजें बोलेंगे, आपको गुस्सा आएगा, आप 10 चीजें बोलोगे, कोई फायदा नहीं है. यू आर जस्ट ब्रेकिंग योर रिलेशनशिप विद देम. ओके, कोई फायदा नहीं है. बट अगर आपका बच्चा बार बार आपको रूड चीजें बोल रहा है, बार बार इज डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग यू, बार बार is undermining your authority, then there is a deeper issue which you really need to start focusing on. क्यों बोल रहा है वो ऐसे? क्या हो रहा है? क्या मैं उसको बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल कर रही हूँ आजकल? क्या मैं उसको बहुत ज्यादा नोज बोल रही हूँ आजकल? क्या उसकी लाइफ में कुछ और चल रहा है जो मुझे नहीं पता है? क्या मैं उसके साथ वो टाइम स्पेंड कर रही हूँ जो उसको चाहिए? Is she understanding that how much I love my child right now? Okay, then there is an underlying issue if it's a 5-6 year old or any year old. Okay, let me explain this to you. You are super unhappy with your suppose partner ही ले ले तो easiest रहता है, ठीक है? With your husband, you're not happy because उसने 2 हफ्ते पहले कुछ बात बोली थी जो आपको आज तक चुभ रही है. 2 हफ्ते में वो बात रिजॉल्व नहीं हुई है और फिर से वो कुछ बोली जा रहा है and that thing is not resolved yet. So क्या होगा ना, throughout this time you will say things that are mean because you're so hurt inside. हम लोग भी तो मीन चीजें बोलते हैं ना दूसरे इंसान को. जब हमें गुस्सा आता है क्या करते हैं हम? इधर भी शट डाउन, हम बात ही नहीं करेंगे, और we will give it back nicely because we are like, how dare you, you're hurting me, I'm going to hurt you. Tell me, is that right? Lot of adults do that, right? When we are fighting, either we will shut down and we are like, मेरे को तेरे से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, you know, but family में लेना देना तो करना पड़ता है, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि नहीं करना है, right? Or I will bicker about it, or I will go back and say mean things, right? I'll say mean things to my husband or whoever I'm fighting with, है ना? Same is with children यार, वो भी तो इंसान है. उनसे हम क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे? अगर वो गुस्सा आएगा तो भी कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. दे आर हर्ट माय डियर. बेस्ट, मेरा खुद का बच्चा मुझे कितनी बार बोलता है, यू गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस, आई डोंट वांट टू सी यू, यू आर द वर्स्ट मदर इन द होल वर्ल्ड. आई, उसकी मदर इतनी अच्छी है, आप इतने खराब हो. एक तो बार तो बहुत दिल पे लगी थी मुझे ये बात स्टार्टिंग में, बट देन as I'm more aware कि he is hurt, he wants to do a certain thing and I have said no to it because I don't think that is required, so I become the worst mother. अभी तो धीरे धीरे when your child needs a phone, like my child, आजकल उसको वो वॉच चाहिए जिससे बात कर सकते हैं. Okay, so couple of his friends have those watches and I have chosen not to give him his watch, and every time he sees it, every time we have a fight, every time. Why, if he can have it, why I cannot have it? My simple answer is, I don't think that there is a requirement right now. When there is a requirement, I'll give it to you. और Second answer is, when you're 9 years old, I will give it to you. That doesn't make that I will expect him to understand me. That is too much यार कि मैंने बोल दिया अब तू सुन ले. They are not robots, or they are not कि हाँ हाँ हमने जो बोल दिया okay okay, I will not even push you back on it. ऐसे नहीं होते हैं यार, humans है वो भी. So they are going to retaliate. They are going to get angry. They are going to get frustrated because these cute little small children also have emotions. है ना? तो हम बड़े हैं. At least हमारा brain developed है, hopefully. हमारा brain developed है. Okay? So you have to be like कि ठीक है यार, उसका गुस्सा होना जायज है. He is correct in what he is saying and I am correct in what I am saying. And he doesn't mean it. So let me understand what is the bigger issue here. Okay? So darling, try and understand. अगर वो bad words use कर रही है, which is hurtful, which you think she should not be using, then you should always go and say, this word I don't think we can use it in the family. Children still use it to irritate you. They may not even know the meaning of it. They will still use it. They will still use it. Okay, like I told once, my son, still date, he says that. So one of his friends used to say, what the? Okay, like surprised. So my son started saying, what the? So first time he said, I was in the kitchen and he said, what the? And I'm like, huh? I was like, कुछ आ रहा है इसके आगे कि यहाँ पे खत्म होने वाला है. Okay. Then second day again I heard the same thing, what the? नहीं, तब तो what the बोलता था, what the भी नहीं बोलता, what the? मैंने कहा अच्छा. तो third day I asked him, I said, ये तुम what the बोलते हो? I said, first of all, it's what's the. Okay, I said, it's not what the. He said, acha. I said, second, I said, what does it mean? So he's like, when you get surprised, no, mama, like you're surprised ki kaise hua hai. So you say, what the? I'm like, oh, okay. So I was thinking in my mind ki iske aage ka bhi kuch aayega ki abhi itna hi aayega. So please remember, children don't know a lot of times what they are saying. Actually, they don't know. Most of the time, they don't even know what they are saying. उनको meanings तो पता ही नहीं होते. They pick it up from, as you said, from a family member, from TV, from us sometimes saying it. Like कभी-कभी हम लोग भी बिना सोचे समझे, oh shit, बोल देते हैं ना. Now my son has also picked it up. Now मैं बोलूँ तो ठीक है, बच्चा बोले तो वो खराब है, right? So I have to be more conscious about कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. वो तो पकड़ लेते मुझे 2 मिनट में. Why? You also said, oh shit. I'm like, oh, I said, okay, oh God, I should now replace it with oh God. So if you think that word is not right, say it nicely. If it is still happening, make it as a joke, give them an alternative. Third, absolutely ignore it. जितना ज्यादा 4-5 year बच्चे को उस पे भाव दोगे, उतना ज्यादा वो बोलेगा. Okay? Okay. Swaran Naveen, art and craft. My son is 10 years old. He feels he doesn't have close friend. He doesn't have a close friend. And all are bullying and targeting. He's very upset. I keep telling him to be strong. Don't give more importance to bullying and all you have time. Okay. I will take this point in 2 ways. Okay. First of all, if a child is feeling something, okay, anything, feeling sad, feeling nobody loves him, feeling I don't have a friend, whatever it may be, okay, instead of us going down and saying that, don't bother about them, you should leave them, be strong. He doesn't right now know how to be strong. If he knew how to be strong, he would have been strong. He would have been strong. Okay. There is a quote I read few days back. I will read it to you. Okay. Which says, kids do well if they can. Which I think is so true. मैंने मतलब लिख के ऐसे साइड पे रखा है. A child will do well or a child will do good if they can. जब उसमें वो capability नहीं है, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा how to be strong, me saying it again and again is not going to make him strong, my darling. Okay. First thing was, if your child feels everybody is bullying him, it's important to understand what is happening. Second, saying that again and again, that, ki, acha, why do you feel that? Is it 100% true that everybody is bullying you? Listen to me carefully, huh? Is it 100% true that everybody is bullying you? Because uska answer generally is no, huh? Because not everybody can bully you. You'll always have 1% chance that there is someone who is not bullying you. This is a very powerful question to cut a pattern in anybody's mind. Okay? Then you start asking, okay, if you have to make friends, what do you have to do about it? Okay? Maybe this set of people are bullying you. Okay, which is absolutely not right. First, always say it is not correct. I know how hurt you are. I know this is not done, but it is their upbringing. Let them figure it out. What can you do? What does, ask your child's name. I know it is your hurt. Can I help you in some way or the other? Now, if you have to find a solution to it, or if you could do something that is in your control, what will you do? You have a 10-year-old. It is very important to teach a 10-year-old that he cannot control other person's behavior. He can only control his behavior. I've been teaching it to my son since he was 4. That you can only control what you can do. You cannot control the other person. So my 10-year-old son, I will ask you, I know you're hurt. I know that, it hurts so much that they talk to you like this. But tell me, is it 100% true? First question is that. Okay? No. Uska 100% answer hoga no. I have other people who doesn't do that. Okay. Second, in those other people, do you think you can make friends? Answer can be, I don't want to make friends. They are my good friends. Then third question is, darling, do you think that, you would like to be friends with someone who is like that? What do you think you can do at this time, that you feel better? Ask your child all the questions first. उसको आंसर की जरूरत नहीं होती. Biggest problem we do as a parent is हम अपने आंसर उन पे थोपने लग जाते हैं. नहीं, let them at least think what they can do. Okay, maybe next time I'll ignore them if they say something. Maybe next time I'll not go out with them only, mama. Okay, that's a good idea. Let them come up with an answer. अगर आप किसी चीज से अपसेट हो ना, Swarna, I think your name is Swarna, so I'm going to say that. Okay, suppose you're upset with something. Okay, you're very upset, you're very hurt. Okay, and I come and tell you that don't be hurt, yaar. It's okay. It happens in life. Move on. Will you feel connected to me? You will feel that I'm not even understanding what you're going through. Right? Instead, if I come and tell you, oh, I know, yeah, this can really hurt. Anna, take your time. It's okay. And let's give that time to you. And then I can ask you, but now what can we do about it? Instead of me just brushing it over the under the carpet, ki ho gaya na, chhod de, move on. You also know you have to move on. You also know you have to do something better. But the validation is required initially a lot. And the thing, what needs to happen next, वो अंदर से आनी चाहिए. बाहर से you cannot change anybody. You can only give ज्ञान. Remember, हम सिर्फ ज्ञान ही दे सकते हैं. वो बंदा चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है? Vindhya ji is saying that I have skipped her question again, so I'll take your question now. Okay, but let me tell you, I cannot take everybody questions in 1 hour. It is not possible. I would love to, but नहीं होता है बहुत बार. Okay, चलिए विंध्या जी का क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. मेरी बेटी बिल्कुल काम है, कुछ भी जिद नहीं करती, सब बहुत बात मानती है, पढ़ाई स्क्रीन सब. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? मुझे लगता है मैंने इसका बचपन तो खराब नहीं कर दिया. बिल्कुल सीरियस होके इसको कभी डांटने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी. कोई मुश्किल से 1-2 बार डांटा होगा मैंने 6 साल में। सो बिंदिया जी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आई। आपको तो भगवान को शुक्र मनाना चाहिए दैट योर चाइल्ड डजंट लिसन टू यू। It's like this is what I called in my life is overthinking. जब सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है then also we have a problem. Okay, it's like my child is listening to you, your child is listening to you, your child doesn't watch screen, your child does homework, your child studies when you ask her to study, your child listens to you. What's the problem? The thing that I will tell you is, if your child is so obedient in everything, then at least start telling your child that if she doesn't like something, she has to say no to it. Why? Because in future, aisa na ho that she feels that I have to be goody girl all the time to be loved. Okay, I've not met your child, so I cannot say. But generally, if a child doesn't say anything, if a child is not even throwing one tantrum, two tantrum, or not even standing up for one teeny peeny thing, then maybe your child needs to know that, it's okay to say no sometimes. It's okay to not like if I give you something. And this can only start with conversations first. Okay, आपने उसको डांटा नहीं है, आपने उसको मारा नहीं है, आपने उसको कुछ बोला नहीं है, हो सकता है कि वो बहुत ही she's an old soul, she knows what she wants. मुझे लगता है कि वो जिद क्यों नहीं करती। हाय रे, मैं क्या बोलूं। Mothers can never be happy. आपकी बेटी जिद नहीं करती, प्लीज बी थैंकफुल, प्लीज बी थैंकफुल। नहीं करती, उसको नहीं जरूरत लगती है। मे बी शी डजंट वांट टू, मे बी इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर हर। Your child is healthy, your child is happy, your child listens to you, your child doesn't create a scene in the shopping mall. Thank your stars. Just be happy with whatever is going nice. Please do not overthink. You have not ruined anything. And let me tell you one thing very honestly to all the parents listening to me, and especially the mothers. No matter what you do, good, bad, whatever it is, there is no child in the world who will grow up without having a little bit of a trauma, who will grow up without saying कि आपने ऐसा किया मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. There is no perfect parenting. There is absolutely no perfect parenting. Okay, why I'm saying this is because जैसे आप मुझे बोल रहे थे कि मेरी बच्ची जिद नहीं करती है. There's another mother who said that I feel कि मैं उसको ऐसे बोलूं ना उसको ट्रॉमा हो जाएगा. मैं तो नहीं है, मैं उससे फोन कैसे, कुछ स्क्रीन का एक था one on one, and I said it's okay, just go and take the phone from your child's hand, it's absolutely fine. नहीं, अगर मैंने उसके हाथ से फोन ले लिया उसको ट्रॉमा हो जाएगा. अरे भाई साहब, नहीं होगा. और होगा भी तो सारे बच्चों को कुछ ना कुछ बचपन में होता ही है. आपके बचपन में भी कुछ चीजें होंगी जो आपको आज तक याद रही होगी, जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. दैट इज ओके, दैट इज व्हाट पेरेंटिंग इज. There is no perfect way of parenting. There is just a very conscious way of parenting. There is just a very aware way of parenting. There is a parenting where you're parenting from your heart and not from your fear. Okay? So ऐसा मत सोचो that मैंने अपने बच्चे को रुअन तो नहीं कर दिया, उसको इतना सीरियस तो नहीं बना दिया, उसको ये तो नहीं कर दिया, उसको वो नहीं. प्लीज, मुझे लगता है आप ये सब चीजें मिस करते हैं. विंध्या जी, मुझे भी यही लगता है कि आपको मिस करते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा ऐसा क्यों नहीं करता. आई ओके, इफ इट इज ऑफ एनी दिस थिंग टू यू, हेल्प टू यू, ओके, माय सन, ओके, वुड नॉट जंप फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अदर. मेरा बच्चा ऐसा था, ठीक है, and I would see other kids running away and jumping and doing this and that and everything. मेरा बच्चा शांत, उसको अपनी जान इतनी प्यारी है ना, वो उसको लगता था मुझे चोट ना लगे. सो मुझे भी कभी कभी लगता था यार ये मेरा बच्चा मतलब बिल्कुल भागता ही नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा बिल्कुल जंप ही नहीं करता. मतलब वो एक चेयर से जंप नहीं करता था एट एज ऑफ 3, वेयर यू नो ना हाउ बॉयज आर जनरली लाइक फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड फुल ऑफ रिस्क टेकिंग. कुछ नहीं करता था वो. सो आई नो फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम. समटाइम्स मदर्स आर लाइक, इज दिस नॉर्मल? मतलब ये नॉर्मल है, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है? बट Give them their time. Maybe it is their nature. बाकी सारे बच्चे करते हैं, इसका मतलब जरूरी नहीं आपका बच्चा भी करता है. You are maybe you have a very old soul who knows what she wants, who doesn't think it is important to do it. Absolutely fine. Take it as a blessing. Tell बाबा जी, maybe मैंने इतने पुण्य करे होंगे ना लाइफ में, that I got a beautiful girl like her, you know, who listens, who is always, you know, so nice, so kind to me. So thank your stars. Please don't think so much कि मैंने कि उसकी बचपन खराब तो नहीं कर दिया. मदर्स जो भी करती है सही करती है. मेरा बॉटम लाइन ये है. सबका मैनेज करने का तरीका अलग है. Some people want to do little bit more better. They want to learn more. They want to do more. Some people are okay with where they are. But we all have one thing in common, that we love our children to the core. And whatever decision a mother is going to take is going to be the best. ये बात बस आप याद रख लो, ठीक है. बाकी आपका बच्चा चाहे जैसा मर्जी हो, it is your child. And thank God to give you that child. I always say, thank God to give you that child who has come into your life to teach you something. To sometimes, you know, they come to your life to tell you that, you know, you have gone through a lot, mother. I don't want to give you any more trouble. You have learned all your karma. You have learned all your lessons. What am I here for? Just to give you more love. You know, sometimes I was reading in a book which is more about spirituality and parenting. It was written that sometimes in few houses, you know, children come who are so full of love. मतलब इतनी कडली हडली पडली जैसे आप बोल रहे हो ना, हर बात सुनेंगे, मम्मा से इतना प्यार करेंगे, you know, things like that. Maybe that is God's way of telling you that, you know, you have gone through enough in your past that now you need someone to love you. And I'm sending that child to you. So please be positive about it. There's nothing wrong in your child. Your child is absolutely fine and you are blessed to have such a child. Honestly. हम जैसे पूछो जिनके स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्ड बच्चे हैं, आके आपको पूरा वो देंगे रन डाउन कि दिन में एटलीस्ट 4 बार तो सुनने को मिलता है, यू आर द वर्स्ट मम्मा इन द होल वाइल्ड वर्ल्ड. मैंने एक दिन उसको बोला, मैं कहा जोरावर लिखा देती हूँ ना, एवरी टाइम व्हाई यू वांट टू से इट, यू जस्ट गो एंड पॉइंट इट आउट एंड आई विल नो व्हाट यू वांट टू से. सो ट्राइड यार. मेरा बच्चा तो मुझे पेशेंस सिखाने आया. मैं तो हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ, मेरा बच्चा सिर्फ मुझे पेशेंस सिखाना है. ओके. So with that, it's 12:30. Time for me to go down and get my son. Okay, and for all of you, I am having another masterclass this Saturday at 4 p.m. If you have missed my last one, then do join in. I'm offering you to join my Conscious Motherhood community and at a special price, which will not come again. Again, saying that this is I did it on Monday, but a lot of you said that you were not prepared and you want me to give you another chance to get it at that special price. That I'll only give it tomorrow, one more chance. Uske baad se it is going to be the normal price that I have. Okay. So I want to be, my mission is to have a community of conscious mothers, to have a community of mothers who want to do better for their child. I want to empower mothers. You know why? जो आप होगे ना, आपका बच्चा उससे 10 times better होगा. So you have to better yourself every day, so that your child becomes better every day. जो खुद के पास होगा वही बच्चे को दे सकते हैं. जो मेरे पास होगा ही नहीं, मैं बच्चे को क्या दूंगी बताओ मुझे. Okay. So with that, do register for a masterclass this Saturday, 4 o'clock. Link is in my bio. It's a free masterclass. So come, I will tell you about the trinity of motherhood, how our brain works, how our child's brain work, what happens in our brain. आपको पता है जब आप मदर बनी थी आपका ब्रेन पूरा शिफ्ट हुआ था, पूरा का पूरा, which no one talks about. Okay. So I'll see you on Saturday. नहीं तो next Thursday at 11:30. Bye.